Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, I'll try to teach you how to calculate descriptive statistics and how you can explore your data. So, the objective of this lecture is to learn the basic data exploration technique using the SPSS software. First of all, we will learn what is descriptive statistics. So, more specifically, we can say we will learn what is central tendency, what is dispersion, frequency distribution, and finally, how to produce the graph using the SPSS software. Okay, let's move on. Descriptive analysis in SPSS provides a basic summary about your data. So you can calculate central tendency, you can calculate the dispersion of your data, also the frequency distribution, and in some cases, if you wish, percentages and proportion. So it's all about the descriptive analysis. However, what is central tendency and dispersion? Central tendency is a measure that shows the center or typical value of a dataset. It means it will provide you a central value. On the other hand, dispersion is a measure that shows how to spread out or varied the data value are around the center. It means from mean or average, how your data is spread out, you can calculate or investigate using the dispersion analysis. So there are some basic types of statistics. Number one, the frequency distribution. For the frequency distribution, please keep in mind when your data is categorical data. So to get count and percentage of your categorical data, once again, categorical data, then you can use the frequency analysis. On the other hand, for descriptive analytics, right now you can keep in your mind when your data is a continuous variable. So to get the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, range, right, skewness, kurtosis, so you can use the descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics is for continuous data. Furthermore, the explorer, to get detailed descriptive statistics and plot, say for example box plot, right, you can analyze or you can use explore option. So using the explore option, you also can calculate data normality, box plot test, etc. It's basic actually, output interpretation. I hope you have the knowledge of all these terms. Simply speaking, the mean is average value, the median, the middle value when data is ordered. Once again, the data is ordered. Mode, the most frequent value. Standard deviation, how spread out values are from the mean. Range is the difference between minimum value, maximum value and minimum value. And skewness and kurtosis actually indicate the distribution shape.